Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to another episode of LJ Law, Family Law TV. I am Bonnie Leonardo, your host. Today, we will be discussing marital waste. When couples are going through a divorce, it is not uncommon for there to be resentment and anger present between the couples. Many times, this resentment and anger can manifest itself in one spouse financially becoming irresponsible and spending money as a form of punishing the other spouse. Marital waste is committed when one spouse spends community assets either irresponsibly or for their sole benefit. Examples of marital assets can be unreasonable spending, such as extravagant shopping sprees or vacations in order to benefit only one spouse. It can also be in spending money on drugs, prostitution, gambling. It can also be spending money to support an extramarital affair, selling off a community property asset without either approval from your spouse or for less than the fair market value. It can also mean gifting large sums of money to either friends or family members, and also excessive use of credit card for non-essential items. These are just some examples of what marital waste can be. Because Nevada is a community property state, everything that is earned during the marriage is considered to be equally owned by both parties. So at the time of a divorce, the courts look to divide the assets between the parties equally. And when there exists marital waste, this division of equally dividing property can be altered. One thing I want you to consider if you are suspecting that your spouse is committing marital waste is that marital waste is a very difficult claim to prove. It's not enough for you just to simply disagree with your spouse's spending habits. The alleged spending must be of greater significance, okay? So the thing to consider when asserting marital waste is to look at whether the spouse who is accused of committing marital waste has done so with a deliberate intent to deprive the other spouse of their fair share of those assets. If you are suspecting that your spouse is committing marital waste, give me a call here at the office or go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com, and I will be more than happy to discuss your particular situation with you in the hopes of helping you out during your divorce. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.